Hi, Charlie here. Today I want to talk about one of the most fundamental things that we know. Water. Like almost everyone knows water's formula, H2O. And yes, it is pretty easy. 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, like a slanty L shape. That's not the best description of this. But it has amazing properties. It works as a catalyst for a lot of chemical reactions, and also it has a pH level of exactly 7. So it's awesome. Also, it's the most common one there is of that type. So yeah. Well, not only is it that, it's also known as the universal solvent, which is like a kind of, which means that it dissolves like almost everything. Its oxygen is the negative end and its hydrogen is the positive end, so it just can dissolve any type of particle. Unlike most of you probably think, pure water does not conduct electricity. But if you add like something like salt, it becomes an electrolyte because the chlorine and sodium ions are just floating around, waiting for electrons to pass through. So electrical currents can easily go through that, and that's why humans are so conductive. We have lots of salt in ourselves, and we have lots of water too. So yeah. Also, people like to think that water is only on Earth. That is not true at all. There is way less water here on Earth than on like most other places. Like, there's less water here than a tiny moon from Saturn, Europa. It might actually have more liquid water than Earth. That's a mystery. So, Earth actually doesn't have as much water as lots of different places, such as Pluto, Ganymede, Callisto, Europa, and Enceladus, and Titan. So, the thing that makes Earth special is that it's in the Goldilocks zone, also known as habitable zone. It's a zone around the parent star where it's just right for liquid water to form. The habitable varies with different stars, and with colder stars it's closer in. Water is a basis for lots of different scales. Like, for example, Celsius, 0 degrees is water freezing temperature, and 100 degrees is boiling temperature. So it is very, very, very common how water is. Like, 1 kilogram is exactly 1 liter of water. Water is very important to our lives too. And that's why most civilizations formed around water. Like, the Chinese formed around the Nile River. The Egyptians formed around the Nile. Babylon, they formed around the 2 rivers. The Mesopotamians. The Greek and Romans all stayed ashore. and yeah, most of them have to stay near water because water lets you grow crops and feed. Like you can drink and you can clean yourself from the disease, and also in like all ecosystems need water, so it's very important to actually have something hot and not just like have to like walk a million kilometers away. So yeah, water is very important in all of our lives. We had to drink water from the second we were born, and even before that. Water is used for entertainment, agriculture, and lots of other things. So, yeah, thanks for your support with watching, and please subscribe to this channel. More videos will be coming out every single day. Bye.